Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the Tweezer crab in the Phase 8 update. This crab is one of the fish required for the pirate event daily quest. First just head over to the pirate cove, and then next you can fish for the Tweezer crab in this area, or you can also fish it on the Tweezer room. And yesterday I personally got it right in this pond, in this middle pond, so that spot is, I think, worth to trying. But keep in mind the Tweezer crab has legendary rarity, so you will need to prepare. Make sure you are using your best fishing rod and best bait to increase your chances like this. Like you can use fin, I think. And then next you can also use any luck potions or luck totems like this. Just use mutation, just use luck potions. Thus, the higher your luck, the better your chances of pulling this crab faster. And for the look, the Tweezer crab looks like this. Like this. It's really cool. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.